spare tire for this vehicle would be in the trunk of the vehicle. So you're going to lift it up. You're going to lift this cover, and there's your spare tire. This would be your jack, and the tool to open your lug nuts would be right here. So some of them have locks on them that you want to figure out beforehand. This one has more of an elastic band to get around, and you're just gonna, this comes off like that, and then this is your jack. You're going to be putting it in here to rotate it, and then this is how it's going to go up and down. If you want to come to the side here, you'll be placing your jack at the bottom here, and then this is a hubcap. For this one, you're going to take, you can leave the hubcap off because the lug nuts would be well open for it. And then you're just going to go back, and to take off your spare tire, you'll be taking this off and just unbolting this screw right here, anti-clockwise, and then it just comes off like that. That is your spare tire for this